Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright guys, today we're gonna go over the Bitcoin update, the XRP daily update, the XLM daily update, Jasmy update, and just go over the crypto market in general. I want to start off with this quote I got on the screen here by Mr. Warren Buffett, legendary stock market trader. And this quote reads like this: "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This is one of my favorite quotes, guys, because this is how Warren Buffett became a billionaire. Basically, when everybody else is fearful, that's when he buys. When there's blood on the street, when all the your favorite assets are in the red, that's when Mr. Warren buys, and he definitely sells when everybody's greedy. When it's the top of the bull run. When everybody is in euphoria. When everybody thinks the market's never gonna go down. That's when he becomes fearful, and that's when he sells, and that's when he makes that's how he makes it his billions. That's why he's a billionaire, guys. So right now that everybody's fearful, guys, right now it's the time to be greedy, guys. So that's why I wanted to share this quote with you guys. I shared it yesterday too. I'll probably be sharing it every day. Right now that everybody's fearful, it's the time to be greedy, guys. Just to remind you, don't take my word for it. Take Mr. Warren Buffett's word from it. That's how he became a billionaire. He buys everybody's fear. He is greedy when everybody else is fearful, guys. So let's start off by looking at the crypto bubbles, top 100 crypto bubbles. See what the market's looking like, guys. Looks like the top 100 crypto bubbles are bouncing back. Looks like everything is in the green. I only see a couple of 2 or 3 red bubbles. Hex is down 3.6% down for the day. But that's because I heard his CEO Richard Hart. I think he's wanted in the Europe for like tax evasion. So watch out with the Hex crypto. It might not do so good in the for right now, since the CEO, the founder, he's in the top wanted list for Europe for tax evasion. It might go down for a little bit. We also got ENA is down 2.6% down for the day. And our favorite BTC, Bitcoin, is down 1.2% down for the day. But other than that, all the top 100 bubbles are basically in the green. There might be another 1 or 2 red that I didn't see, like this one right here. This one is is a red or green? This one is Fast Token, FTN. So I think it's right about neutral, because it doesn't really have a percentage. It's just red. Well, anyways, guys, let's get right into the Bitcoin update. But before we get into the Bitcoin update, I want to start off by reading this article here for you guys. Kind of sums it up. The question: is there going to be a Christmas rally? Are we going to see a Bitcoin rally on Christmas Day, guys? Before I answer that question, I want to read this article for you guys. And it reads like this: Bitcoin, Santa Claus rally hopes dwindle as price hits December low. Bitcoin has fallen 14.5% from its peak high this month as the cryptocurrency dipped below $92,500 this week. Bitcoin has dropped to its lowest price since late November, dampening hopes of a Santa Claus rally that has historically resulted in solid gains over the holiday period in years preceding market cycle peaks. Bitcoin fell to $92,442 during the late trading day of December 23, its lowest price in 4 weeks, and a correction of 14.5% from its all-time high of just over $108,000 on December 17. It briefly rebounded to reclaim $95,000 before falling back to $94,000 during early trading day of December 24, and it currently remains down more than 11% over the past week. Crypto markets have historically performed well through the festive seasons during bull markets, but Bitcoin's dismal December performance has squashed hopes of so-called Santa Claus rally. A price jump during the last 5 trading days of December through to the first 2 trading days of January. However, there is a crypto trader, Mr. Crypto, compared Bitcoin's performance from previous years and noted that there were big rallies between Christmas and New Year's in 2016 and 2020, in years preceding the market cycle peak. So let's take a look at that, guys. So here's this chart that Mr. Crypto posted here. He says, I am ready for the Bitcoin Santa rally. And it basically shows, 2016 cycle. This red line here is Christmas. So this was Christmas Day on 2016, the year 2016. And look, we had a dip right before Christmas. And then after Christmas, we basically maybe went sideways for another day or two. And then we went parabolic, guys. So what happened in 2020? It looks like we had a correction before Christmas 2020, went sideways for a little bit, and then right on Christmas Day we started going to the upside, and then we went parabolic. So what's going to happen here in 2024? We started correcting like on December 18, I believe. We've been correcting on a downtrend. We've gone down 14.5% from the all-time high of $108,000 to $92,000, and we've just been going sideways. And what's going to happen on Christmas Day, guys, which is basically 2 days away? Are we gonna start trending upwards and start going parabolic shortly after, just like the two previous cycles before, guys? That is the question, guys. So yeah, guys, take a look at this chart, guys. Usually history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. So I'm expecting Bitcoin. I'm expecting history to repeat. I'm expecting Bitcoin to start rallying soon. If Bitcoin doesn't have a rally right on Christmas Day, it might be a day or two after. But I do basically see history repeating, because I've noticed that for Bitcoin, history repeats. It's not exact, but it rhymes. So that's why I do believe we are going to get either a Christmas rally or a post-Christmas rally, guys. So one or the other. If Bitcoin doesn't rally on Christmas, it is bound to rally a day or two after Christmas, because it's been doing this in the previous cycles. It also did it in the 2013 cycle, but it doesn't show on this chart. But basically, it's been rallying every cycle after Christmas, guys. And here, let me read this little part here for you. It says, a CoinGecko study released on December 13 revealed that from 2014 to 2023, crypto markets experienced a Santa Claus rally 8 out of 10 times post-Christmas, with total crypto market cap jumping between 0.7% to 11.8% over a 1-week time frame from December 27 to January 2nd. So there you go, guys. According to this CoinGecko study, ever since 2014, we've been experiencing 8 out of 10 times a post-Christmas rally for Bitcoin, guys, and crypto in general. So basically, do you want to go against those odds? 80% of the times, either on Christmas or after Christmas, Bitcoin and cryptos rally. You're only 2 out of 10 times it didn't happen. Is this going to be a 3 out of 11 times, or is this most likely going to be 9 out of 11 times, guys? Well, I'm in the boat that history is going to repeat. It's not exact, but it rhymes. But I do believe we are going to rally either on Christmas or post Christmas, maybe a day or 2 or 3 afterwards. But we are going to rally by the end of the month, and I do believe the month is going to be green for December, because right now it's in the red. Because let's get right into Bitcoin, guys. Because the November close, the November 2024 close was like $96,400, and now the current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $94,352. So we are definitely below the November close. That's why everybody's getting shaken out. Everybody's fearful. But again, if you're fearful, refer back to this quote right here by Mr. Warren Buffett. Be greedy when others are fearful, guys. So if you're ever in doubt, if you're feeling fearful, guys, always go back to this quote. Be greedy when others are fearful. And if you're feeling greedy, If you're feeling greedy, then refer back to the first part of this quote. Be fearful when others are greedy. But right now, everybody's fearful, so we gotta be greedy when others are fearful, guys. So yeah, guys. Hopefully, Mr. Warren Buffett, shows shows some knowledge right there, guys. That's why he's a billionaire. So let's get right into the Bitcoin update, guys. Want us to start off with that article just to let you know that most of the people are fearful right now. But I showed you that history shows that after every Christmas or post Christmas, we have a rally, guys, for Bitcoin. So current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $94,330. Like I said, we're below the November close of 96,400, but I still believe we are going to close above 96,400. I still believe Bitcoin is going to close in the green. Let's see, yesterday or today, December 23rd, we closed the day at 94,764. And the day before that, we closed at $95,000.87. And the day before that, we closed at 97,230. So basically, we are in a downtrend. That's why everybody's fearful right now, because Bitcoin is showing bearish signals. But that's what the market maker does. It loves to fool people. It loves to shake people out. A lot of people who think we're gonna go to lower prices are probably selling out at a Bitcoin and their favorite cryptos right now, hoping to buy in at a lower price. But that's what the market maker does. It makes you sell out of position, and before you know it, it'll turn the market around. It'll start going up, and then it'll go parabolic, and you'll be left behind. The market maker seems to do just enough to fool the majority of people. It does just enough on the Bitcoin price and then the crypto prices to shake everybody out, fool 90% of the people, and only the very few people don't get fooled, but 90% plus of the people get fooled out of the market, and they saw the position, and then they get left behind, guys. And then they go chasing green candles, trying to buy in at higher prices, guys. But yeah, don't get shaken out of Bitcoin or your favorite crypto, guys. Hopefully you bought in the bear market lows. You're sitting pretty right now. You got some good gains. But I do believe we're gonna keep making higher prices for Bitcoin and your favorite cryptocurrencies from now until March of 2025. Of course, we're gonna have red days. Nothing goes up in a straight line. We are gonna have red days. But for the most part, we're not gonna crash to zero. We are gonna keep making higher prices. We are not gonna go into a bear market. Right now is the time to be bullish, guys. It's not the time to be bearish. The time to be bearish will come, and it'll probably be sometime around March of 2025. But right now it's the time to be bullish. I do see Bitcoin rallying sometime in Christmas or post-Christmas. And here, let me show you on the Bitcoin chart. I've already shown it a bunch of times. If you've been watching my videos, you've definitely seen let me show you the 2020 cycle, how Bitcoin rallies post Christmas. I'm just waiting for the chart here to pull up. Okay, it looks like I got reset it, so I got to go back real quick. Let me go back to 2020, and then I'll show you how Bitcoin rallied post Christmas, guys, on the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, guys, remain bullish in the market. I do believe we basically hit the low. There might be I think 92,000 will hold, guys, for Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin will hold 92,000. I don't think we'll go lower than that. But if we do happen to go lower than the 92,000, don't get shaken out. It might be one last shakeout by the market maker to scare everybody and freak everybody out, make everybody sell out of their position, and then they'll reverse it, and then we'll start going parabolic, guys. So we do have one last dip below 92,000, guys. Don't get shaken out. It's just the market maker doing what it does best, scaring, freaking people out of the market, guys. But here's Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin started its correction, right after December 19. It went into a red day, December 20. Then December 21st, it bottomed out. And then kind of went sideways for December 22nd, 23rd, and December 24th. It kind of went sideways, and December 25th, it kind of went sideways. But by the end of the day, it did make a higher high. It did close higher at 24,700 for that time period, and then starting December 25th, we had a little Christmas rally, and then we just started going parabolic after that, guys. December 26th, 2020 was green. December 27th, it kind of went sideways. Then we kept going up. December 28th, 29, we just started going parabolic, guys. So basically, this is how Bitcoin works. It likes to fool everybody. On December 20, on the 2020 cycle in December, Bitcoin had a 10% correction from its at that time, the all-time high was 24,300. It corrected 10% to $21,913. Went sideways, and on Christmas started going up, and just went parabolic after that. So on this cycle right here, we're kind of mimicking the same thing. We made our new all-time high of $108,000. $388,000 we made. We've been downtrending, and then we corrected as much as 15%, all the way down to 92,115 on December 20th. So on the 2020 cycle, we did a 10% correction, and on this 2024 cycle, we have done a 15% correction so far. I do believe this 15% correction is going to hold. I don't think we'll go lower than 92,000, but we might. I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody knows 100% for sure what's going to happen. All we could go is by probabilities, by the Bitcoin chart, by the history, by the data, of past performance. But the Bitcoin chart and history is showing, that we're probably going to go sideways until Christmas, either on Christmas Day or post Christmas, a couple of days after. We are going to start rallying to the upside, and eventually we'll start going parabolic again, guys. That's what history is showing. That's what it's done in every cycle before. That's what Bitcoin has done in every cycle before. So I do believe history is going to repeat. It's not exact by the rhymes. The last cycle we did a 10% correction, and in this cycle looks like we're doing a 15% correction, and I do believe it's going to hold. So get ready, guys. I do believe that we have a couple more days before the rally. So either on December 25th or a day or two after, I do expect Bitcoin to rally back, guys. And I do expect December 2024 to be in the green, guys. So don't get bearish on me, guys. Remain bullish, and stay bullish on the market, guys. If you're fearful, like I said, refer back to Warren Buffett. He's a billionaire. He's a billionaire trader. So he basically trades stock market, but the crypto market, the psychology, the human psychology is the same for the crypto market. So basically this applies to stock markets and crypto market as well. So if you're feeling fearful, guys, if you're feeling bearish, refer back to this quote by Mr. Warren Buffett: be greedy when others are fearful, guys. So yeah. So now let's get right into the XRP update, guys. See what XRP is doing at the time of recording. So the current XRP price at the time of recording is $2.25. XRP has been, if you listen to my other videos, XRP has been holding up pretty good. We've been managing to close above $2.20 these few days. XRP hasn't retraced as much as some other coins like XLM and other coins. They've retraced like 50% or more, but XRP only did like a 40% correction from its $2.90 local top. It did correct on December 10th all the way down to $1.90, which that's about like a 33% correction, somewhere around there. It's about a third. It lost $1, so it's about a third. About 33% correction. But yeah, yesterday we closed at or today, December 23rd, we closed at $2.25, and the day before that we closed at $2.20. The day before that, we closed at $2.23. So yeah, so we've been closing above 220 for the last 5 to 6 for the last week. So that's pretty good, guys. As long it looks like we're making $2.20 a support line for XRP. So I am bullish on XRP. I do believe, like I've said in my other previous videos, I do believe XRP is going to have a great cycle this cycle. It's not suppressed like in the 2020 cycle by Gary Gensler and the SEC. Gary Gensler is out. He's going to be officially out of office on January 2025. And we got a pro crypto SEC chair coming in, Paul Atkins. And we also got a pro crypto president, Mr. Donald Trump, coming in also on January 2025. We got a lot of pro crypto people coming in for the government in January 2025, guys. We got Elon Musk and Vivek Ramsey. They're pro crypto. They're going to be the leaders of Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency. So they're definitely pro crypto. And we got a lot of positions in the Senate, in the Congress, and in the House of Representatives. I believe like over 270 positions are going to be pro crypto this cycle, guys. So I do see a pro crypto year for the USA, and it looks like Mr. Donald Trump is doing good on his promises. He's definitely trying to make the USA the crypto capital of the world, and that's good for the USA and for the world because you can hold crypto all over the world. So if the USA gets into crypto and they become the crypto capital of the world, I don't know why, but other countries follow what the USA does. So if the USA becomes crypto capital of the world, then Mexico, Mexico always follows the USA. So Mexico and Latin America will become the crypto capital. Will follow the USA and start getting into crypto. El Salvador, they're already ahead of the USA. But they're basically they're going to be rich. They own a lot of Bitcoin already, and they're a small country, so they're going to be rich country pretty soon. And and actually the USA, they hold a lot of Bitcoin too. I think they have over 200,000 Bitcoin. So they own a lot of Bitcoin as well. So yeah, guys, so that's good for the world in general. If the USA becomes the crypto capital of the world, that means crypto will be mass adopted by other countries. And then the people in those countries will mass adopt crypto, and that'll be good for us. If you're watching this video, you're basically early in the game. You're an early investor in crypto like me. So just learn to buy low and sell high, and you'll be a millionaire soon. Maybe not this cycle. It just depends how much you invested. If you didn't have enough capital to invest this cycle, maybe you take whatever you make at the top of the bull run and you hold to the bottom of the bear market, and you reinvest your gains into the bottom of the bear market, and then maybe next cycle you become a millionaire. Or who knows? Maybe you invested enough this cycle to become a millionaire. It just depends. Or maybe you hit that lucky meme coin and become a millionaire just by investing, a few $100, or you get a good 1000x on a good utility coin. It's all possible in the world of crypto. That's why I love crypto, guys. And I love it. I research it every day. I just love Bitcoin, and I love the charts. So and I love cryptos in general. And my top 7 favorite cryptos, like you already know, that I think are going to be around for a long time is like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, XRP, XLM, and Jasmy coin. But of course, I like other cryptos as well, guys. I also like XCN. I like Crow with Knife. I like Sui. I like Aerodrome Finance. I like them all actually, guys. But those that I mentioned are some of my favorites, guys. So definitely, stay on top of your favorite crypto, guys. In this channel, we go over XRP, XLM, and Jasmy because they're some of my favorite cryptos, and Bitcoin as well. I like all the cryptos in general, guys. I don't hate any cryptos. I don't think any crypto is bad. If you believe in your crypto, that's all that matters. I do believe 99% of the cryptos are going to run to higher prices this cycle. If the meme coins do it, the meme coins, they moon. I think, as long as there's nothing fundamentally wrong with your crypto, it should make higher prices this cycle, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XRP. I do believe XRP is going to get, like I've already said, my price prediction for XRP is somewhere between $15 to $30 at the top of the bull run this cycle. I do believe it could do 100x from the bear market low of 30 cents. So my bullish case scenario would be 100x for XRP, and that would be around $30. But my realistic price prediction for XRP at the top of the bull run is at least $15. I do believe it could at least get to $15. So that's my price target for XRP, somewhere between $15 to $30, guys. And then the short-term price range, once Bitcoin starts going, to the upside, once Bitcoin, makes a new all-time high, it's going to pull up XRP and the cryptos. And once that happens, XRP is going to, break through $2.90, and then it's going to probably have a little bit of resistance at $3.50, because that's the current all-time high for XRP, $3.50. And so there'll probably be a little bit of selling, because a lot of people have been holding for 7 years at that price range, guys. So that was the top in 2017, and a lot of people bought that top in 2017. So a lot of people are just going to want to sell out and get their money back and break even, guys. But once we break 350, then I do see like $6-7 coming in quickly for XRP, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XRP. Once Bitcoin starts rallying to the upside, XRP and the cryptos will follow, guys. So let's get right into the XLM update, guys. Basically it's the same. I mean, nothing has really changed. If you've been watching my my videos, it kind of gets repetitive, but I mean, what can we do? I mean, the market's just been going sideways. That's what trading is. I mean, most of the time Bitcoin and your favorite cryptos, they're just going sideways, guys. They're just ranging, about 80% of the time, Bitcoin and cryptos are just going sideways, just ranging, and only 20% of the time they're either moving up or down. But trading could be boring, guys. I mean, that's just part of the game. If you're new to this to crypto, just know that trading could be boring. But during the boring times are the best time, because that's the best time you could accumulate if we're gonna keep going up, or that's the best. Or you could short if we're gonna go down. But that's more advanced. Let's not get into that right now. But yeah, guys, XLM has just been going sideways, guys. We've been going sideways over 3 weeks. Let's see how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wow, 30 days. So XLM has been going sideways for a month. So it's due for a moonshot, guys. I don't think the bull run is over for XLM. Don't listen to the FUD out there. If you hear any FUD that the bull run is over for Bitcoin and cryptos, I don't think that's true. According to the charts, according to the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin and cryptos, we're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptos. So I do believe XLM is due for a moonshot. Just like XRP, as soon as Bitcoin rallies to the upside, it's going to pull up XLM. And XLM, yesterday or today, it closed at 37 cents, which is the current price, 37.3. And the day before that, we closed at 35 cents. And the day before that, we closed at 35 cents. And the day before that, we closed at 37 cents. So yeah, we've been holding at 35 cents. That looks like it's the low. It's done over it's done like almost a 50% correction, because it did dip as low as 31 cents. So it did do a 50% correction. Basically, it did a 50% correction from its local top of 63 cents. When it had that wick to 31 cents, it basically corrected 50 cents. Now it bounced back to like 35, 37 cents. It's going sideways now. And I do believe, once Bitcoin, starts rallying sometime around Christmas or a few days after, it is going to pull up XLM as well, guys. So yeah, stay bullish on XLM. Nothing new to report. I know it's going to do really good this cycle, just like XRP. It's the cross-border payment. It's got the CEO, Deanne Dixon. She's basically, she's always at the meetings, with the Congress meetings. So she's got her foot into Congress. So I definitely, believe, they listen to her. She's got the ears of the Congress people. So definitely, I do believe XLM is going to do really good this cycle. It's the number two. It's the number 2 crypto when it comes to real-world assets. The number 1 crypto is Ethereum, and then XLM is the number 2 crypto. That's what the data shows. So you can't fade XLM. A lot of people fade XLM, saying it's just a stable coin, and obviously it's proved them wrong, because it's been mooning since it was since the November 5th. It was at 9 cents, went all the way up to 63 cents. Now it's doing a normal correction, and it's at 37 cents, and it's getting ready to blast off again, guys. So don't fade XLM, guys, or you'll be left behind. I do believe XLM could do a 100x from the bear market low of 7 cents. So my bullish case scenario at the top of the bull run for XLM would be around $7. I do see XLM hitting $7 if Bitcoin, has a really good bull run. It gets anywhere close to $250,000. I do see XLM, getting near $7. But my realistic price prediction for XLM is at least $3.50. So I do believe it could do like almost like a 10x from the price of today. That's my realistic XLM price prediction. It's almost guaranteed that XLM could get to $3.50. That would be a 50x from the bear market low of 7 cents. But again, guys, nothing is guaranteed. Nobody really knows what's going to happen tomorrow or the next year. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so or because anybody says so. And only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. So yeah, guys, stay bullish on XLM, guys. And let's get right into the Jasmy update, guys. See what Jasmy is doing. Current price of Jasmy at the time of recording is 0.35 cents. It's been doing good or better. I mean, we got to get above 4 cents, but at least we did manage to close today at 0.35 at the same price we are right now. And yesterday we closed at 0.32, and the day before that we closed at 0.32. So we've been closing above 3 cents. So as long as we don't close below 3 cents, we don't want to go any lower, guys. And I do believe the Bitcoin and the crypto rally is coming soon, right around the corner, probably on Christmas Day or a couple of days after. I do believe Bitcoin is going to rally and it's going to pull up Jasmy. So nothing new to say for Jasmy, guys. It's just like like all the cryptos, they've been on a downtrend. It's already done over a 50% correction. But it's just normal. In all the parabolic bull run phases, that's what cryptos do. They go parabolic. They do like anywhere from like 3 to 5x or more, and then they do like anywhere from a 30 to 50% correction. XRP did a 33% correction, and XLM and Jasmy did did right around a 50% correction, guys. So that's just normal, guys. Expect to see this several times in the parabolic bull run phase. So don't get shaken out when you see your favorite crypto doing a 30 to 50% correction. It's just normal. It does that. It corrects. It consolidates, and then it goes to higher prices, guys. So that's what I see for Jasmy. I do see moonshotting pretty soon. As soon as Bitcoin starts going parabolic again, it's going to pull up Jasmy as well, guys. And my price prediction for the top of the bull run for Jasmy is around $1. That's my realistic price prediction for Jasmy. I do believe it could get to at least $1. But if Bitcoin does have a massive bull run, gets anywhere close to $250,000, I do see Jasmy getting to around $1.50, guys. So yeah, remain bullish on Jasmy, guys. We'll be breaking to higher prices soon, guys. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to do this quick update. Nothing really new. Just that we're bouncing back. If you listen to my previous videos, I probably go more in depth into the charts. But I don't want to get too repetitive, because it's just been the same thing the last few days. We've just been going sideways. Basically, my main message for you to take today is that I do believe we are going to see a Christmas rally. If not right on Christmas Day, it might be a day or 2 or 3 after Christmas. But historically speaking, we have seen a Christmas rally every cycle. Now, in case you missed it in the beginning, let me show you this chart right here, or this image here. How basically, in the 2 previous cycles, right after either on Christmas or right after Christmas, Bitcoin started going parabolic. See, 2016, this red line represents Christmas Day. After Christmas, boom, parabolic. 2020, right on Christmas Day, it started going parabolic. 2024, what's going to happen? I do believe it's going to be something similar, because history repeats. It's not exact, but it's the same. It might not be right on Christmas Day. It might be a day or 2 after. But I do believe we're either gonna have a Christmas rally or a post-Christmas rally, guys. So get ready. Bitcoin's about to repeat its cycle, and it's about to go parabolic again, guys. We are gonna go to higher prices at any day now, either on Christmas or or post Christmas, guys. All right, guys. Stay bullish on the market. Looks like the market's bouncing back. I hope you guys have a happy Christmas, and I hope you guys are not bearish. Remain bullish. If you're feeling fearful, again, refer back to Mr. Warren Buffett's quote. If you're feeling fearful, then you got to be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So yeah, guys, right now is the time to be greedy, and and because other people are fearful, right now is the time to be greedy, guys. So this is not financial advice, guys, but what I'm doing with my dry powder, I'm buying this dip because I know Bitcoin and cryptos are about to go to higher prices right around the corner, probably on Christmas Day or a couple of days after that, guys. So yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's make this channel grow. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.